Okay guys, I just bought this antigen self-test with COVID-19 test. You are able to get the results in 15 minutes. So this is about $12.80. I got it at Watson's and I'm really nervous to try this. No, don't worry, nothing's happened to me, but I was really curious about what it looks like and how it is. I've not stuck my nose into any like this stuff. Jane though has done it like millions of times, so she's like a pro. Oh wow. So we have this, I don't know, thing, rapid test device. You have the, I don't know, test tube thingy. And then I have no idea what this is, but maybe it's the solution to put inside and then like mix it, I guess. Okay, so this is the sponge swab. Sterilize only if pill pouch is intact, disposable. So it's a, oh my gosh, it's so long. Can I fit this in my nose? I'm scared. Okay, so they have 3 different languages. Obviously, I can't speak French, but je m'appelle Emma, bonjour. That's all. Can't really read. Maybe I'll like practice my French there. But let's take a look at the English instruction. Okay, so single use. Okay. Use for okay. Wait for 24 valid test. Might slight discomfort. Oh no. What is the recommended depth? I'm just really scared. 15 minutes. Okay. Possible false test results. Okay everyone, I don't have symptoms right now. Okay, so let's see how this works. Okay, this looks like, okay, before starting, wash and sanitize your hands. Make sure they are dry. Okay, I'll do that later. Okay, so we have the test device, which is this, I believe. The tube, which is this. The blue cap. And then we have, oh, this is what it is. The buffer bottle. And also the swab. And I don't know what the bag is for, maybe it's to dispose. Okay, a timing device is required but not provided. Okay, so first we have to keep the buffer bottle upright. Okay, so dump it in. Okay, so this thing goes in here and make sure it's about here. Okay, put the tube into the kit. Oh, so smart. Okay, I see you. Alright, okay. Keep fingers away from the swab end. Alright. Oh my gosh, this is really invasive. Jane, does this look right to you? This is so straight.
No, normally they say bend a bit, then you're not supposed to put straight in.
But this one looks different though. Ew, swab both nostrils. Means like if I have a booger on one and the other one will get a booger as well.
Swab the
Left and then right, okay.
Depends how you want to go right to left and left. Normally they will do left or right.
I need to gently rub it at least 5 times.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh my gosh. I'm really nervous. I don't know how deep. This doesn't look deep, you know guys. Like, this is 2 cm. What is 2 cm? This, I think it's just about here, I think. Yeah, 2 cm is not that long. Okay. Break. Hold the tube firmly. And then secure. Put it like for 15 minutes. Okay, then perform the test. So, okay. Well, looks pretty complicated. Okay, 15 minutes. Let's go. Let me wash my hands and start the experiment. Okay, guys. So it's only 2 cm. So it's about like my thumb size. Just my thumb size about that. So I think it's not as invasive. So, but let's just see how it goes. Twist and pull the tab to open the bottle. Oh, okay. Is it coming out? Oh, it is. Okay. So you see, I got to make sure that it's until the line. Alright. Oh my gosh, this is it. Okay, Jane, you need to tell me if I'm doing this right. Okay, here goes nothing. One. Oh. Ugh. Oh. That was weird. Okay, oh gosh, it's wet. Oh, it's ticklish. Oh. Okay, I can understand. A bit of my tears are coming out. Even though I'm not even pushing it hard. Oh. Oh my gosh. Now insert the swab into the tube. And then swirl in the fluid for like 5 times. Okay. Okay, I think that's pretty much. And then they say pinch here, which I have no idea why. Oh. A brick line. Oh, here. Wow, it's pretty convenient. Now, secure the blue tab. Okay. I'm gonna put it here on the flat surface because that's what they say. Okay, so remove the white cap. Okay. Ooh. Okay, now squeeze 5 drops of liquid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Done. Okay, so we need the line to be at C for it to be negative. I've no idea why. Oh, I think it's trying to spread. Guys, we're not even like 2 minutes, but it looks like 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, 15 minutes is up. Let's take a look, and it's a baby girl. It's a C. Yay. Okay, there is no visible faint line. As you can see, I am negative. Ooh, for a moment I was really worried, but all good, guys. So hope this video was really helpful. Definitely encourage you guys to take the test if you're unsure, but don't hog, okay guys, just get one or a few for your family members. All right, so stay tuned to the channel. Please subscribe, like and share, and hope this was helpful for you guys. Take care and stay safe.